Behind every IICRC certification program is a group of industry volunteers and someone coordinating their work. In this episode of Unscripted, an IICRC video production, we get to know the pro who spends her days moving new and revised programs through development with the subject matter experts who donate their time, their valuable time, to keep the curriculum grounded in real-world practice. In this Q&A episode, learn about her role, the volunteers who make the work possible, and why what happens in a committee meeting ends up mattering in a client's home. Let's get to know Stephanie Reynaud right now.
So I am the certification development supervisor, and I work with a lot of the volunteers that are subject matter experts in the industry in various subjects on volunteer committees. And they spend a lot of their hard work and time helping us better our certification programs. So we work very hard to create new programs and then revise the existing ones to ensure that they are up to date and accurate. Which is very important for our students, make sure they're learning relevant material for the real world jobs that they have. It definitely makes an impact for the students that are taking the classes and then the employers that are employing those students that are then going into the workforce. To have relevant content that matters and that is a baseline knowledge for them on the job, make sure that they are being safe on the job, make sure that they're knowledgeable about the different facets of the job and that they're doing it correctly. If there's an issue, that they can identify that because they've taken the class, they've passed the exam, they know what to do and not to do in the field, which is very important to employers, business owners, and the employees themselves, and of course the consumers too. I mean, if somebody's coming into your house and performing mold remediation, you want to make sure that they know the ins and outs of that and that they are qualified. So our training programs just help make sure that that is the case, that they have that baseline knowledge that they need to do their jobs properly. It changes every day. Well, it does change. Every day changes. But there are some constants. Like the very first thing I do is check my email, make sure there aren't any questions from committee members or staff here about a certification program or development of a certification or a meeting upcoming that a committee is going to be attending. And also, once I get done with my emails, I will go to the certification development assistant, Kylie, that I work closely with, ensure that she has enough work to do for the day, make sure she hasn't had any crazy questions from volunteers or professionals in the field, and just kind of work on the projects we have. So right now we have, gosh, I think about 6 or 7 certifications that are in revision, and 1 certification that is brand new that is in the works. And they're at various levels of the development process. Some of them at the very beginning, working on the program description, instructor requirements, things like that. And then other folks are working on the exam content. And then some people, they're done and we're just waiting for it to be approved. So every certification committee is at kind of a different phase, and we handle those differently based on the phase. So it might just be me checking to see if votes have come in for an approval for a certification program to be approved and released to the world. It may be that we're in the middle of proofreading an exam and I need to go through and make sure edits are done properly. We don't have any typos. And then there's also just making sure meetings that are scheduled, we have those agendas ready to go so the committee has some guidance on what they're doing during their meeting. And we're being respectful of their time because they do have personal lives and jobs and families and such, and they spend their hard-earned time off helping us better our certification program. So it's very important for us to make sure the meetings that we do have are relevant and they are being productive. So getting everything prepped for that meeting is very important as well. Oh goodness. So I love to sit down with, well, there are a couple of options here. I love puzzles, so I love to sit down with a good puzzle, maybe put on Lord of the Rings in the background, and just work the puzzle, or I might just read a book. I love reading. And I also have some kittens right now, so I love playing with them and socializing them, and just taking care of them is really fun. I would say just the takeaway from my job is that I am there to assist the volunteers that spend their time helping better the IICRC certification. So we couldn't do anything without our subject matter expert that volunteer to help us. That is like the basis of IICRC is our volunteers, which is very important.